Baking soda is more than just an ingredient for baking. It's a true powerhouse. For centuries, people have used it for cleaning, health, and personal care. Yet, many overlook its incredible benefits that go beyond the kitchen. It's inexpensive, readily available, and can improve your life in surprising ways. From personal hygiene to home remedies, baking soda is a must-have. Today, we'll uncover 7 powerful benefits of baking soda you wish you knew sooner. Once you discover these uses, you'll never look at baking soda the same way again. Let's dive into the many ways baking soda can transform your health and home. Number 1. A natural antacid for heartburn and indigestion. Acid reflux can cause a burning sensation in the chest and throat. Baking soda helps neutralize stomach acid, providing instant relief. Simply mix half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink slowly. This natural remedy is an excellent alternative to store-bought antacids. It works by restoring the pH balance in your stomach. However, it should only be used occasionally to avoid side effects. If you experience frequent heartburn, consult a doctor for further advice. Number 2, whitens teeth and freshens breath. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that removes stains from teeth. It also neutralizes acids in the mouth, preventing bad breath. Many toothpaste brands contain baking soda because of its whitening power. To use it, mix a little baking soda with water to form a paste. Brush gently to remove plaque and brighten your smile naturally. Using it a few times a week can improve oral hygiene. However, don't overuse it, as excessive scrubbing may damage enamel. Number 3, soothe skin irritations and bug bites. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve skin irritation. It can soothe bug bites, rashes, and even sunburn. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with water to make a paste. Apply it to the affected area for quick relief from itching and redness. You can also add baking soda to a bath for full-body skin soothing. This method is great for people with sensitive or irritated skin. It's a natural way to calm discomfort without harsh chemicals. Number 4, eliminates odors naturally. Baking soda is one of the best natural deodorizers. It works by absorbing and neutralizing bad smells, not just masking them. Sprinkle some in shoes, carpets, or even your refrigerator. Let it sit for a few hours before vacuuming or wiping it away. You can also use it as a natural deodorant to absorb sweat. Unlike chemical sprays, baking soda is non-toxic and safe to use anywhere. It's the perfect solution for keeping your home and body fresh. Number 5, enhances athletic performance. Did you know baking soda can boost physical endurance? Athletes use it to reduce muscle fatigue during intense workouts. It works by neutralizing lactic acid buildup in muscles. This helps reduce soreness and delay muscle exhaustion. To try it, mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink it before a workout to enhance stamina and performance. However, consult a doctor before using it regularly for fitness. Number 6, supports kidney health. The kidneys help maintain the body's acid-base balance. When they struggle, acid levels in the body can rise. Baking soda can help slow kidney decline by balancing pH levels. Studies suggest it may benefit people with chronic kidney disease. Adding a small amount to water may support kidney function. Always check with a healthcare professional before using it for medical purposes. It's a simple yet effective way to promote internal health. Number 7, a powerful cleaner for your home. Baking soda is a non-toxic and highly effective household cleaner. It removes stains, grease, and grime from nearly any surface. Mix it with water or vinegar to create a powerful scrubbing paste. Use it to clean sinks, countertops, and even stainless steel. It also helps unclog drains and remove stubborn odors from fabrics. Unlike chemical cleaners, baking soda is safe and eco-friendly. It's the perfect all-purpose cleaning solution for your home. Beyond these 7 benefits, baking soda has many other uses. It can relieve sore muscles, soothe ulcers, and even freshen your laundry. Many people use it in DIY beauty treatments and natural skin. It's also an excellent exfoliator for removing dead skin cells. From health to cleaning, baking soda is one of the most versatile items in your home. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Baking soda isn't just for baking, it's a game changer for health and home. Its many benefits make it an essential item for every household. Whether you use it for digestion, hygiene, or cleaning, it's incredibly effective. Best of all, it's affordable, natural, and easy to find. If you haven't been using baking soda for more than just cooking, now's the time. Start incorporating it into your daily routine and experience its powerful effects. You'll be amazed by how one simple ingredient can improve so many aspects of life. Try it today and discover the benefits for yourself.